If you want to set up Face ID on iPhone 16e, you need to open Settings. In the settings, scroll down to find Face ID and passcode, and let's select it. Enter your passcode, and then we can press Set up Face ID over here. So let's set it up. Now first we need to position our face in the camera frame, which will appear when we press Get Started. And then we need to move our head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. You will also see those lines extending like you can see over here on this preview. So let's press Get Started, and then let's show our face to the frame. Once the scanning process is done, you have an option to use Face ID with a mask. So you don't have to take off the mask when you use Face ID in case you use a mask, or you can just choose don't use Face ID with a mask, or you can set up later. So I'm gonna just set it up later. There we go, Face ID is now set up. We can press done. Over here we can also choose in what cases we can use Face ID, what we can use Face ID for, and that's pretty much it. Over here we can also find some attention settings like require attention for Face ID, attention aware features, and so much more. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!